Hello everyone, welcome back to CRMJIO. In this tutorial, we will show you how to activate your subscription and get your plan up and running. We will also walk you through how to get started with the free trial, in case you want to explore CRMJIO before making a payment decision. So, let's get started. So firstly, CRMJIO will show you the available subscription plans. Take a moment to review the different plans on offer. Each one is designed for different business sizes and needs. You can also change the currency according to your country. Once you've chosen the plan that's right for you, click on Select Plan or Activate Subscription to proceed. You'll now be taken to the payment page. Here, you have to select the time period. After that, you have to click on the Continue button. Now you have shown the order summary of the selected plan, click Continue to proceed. After that, you can enter your preferred payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or depending on the options available. Fill in your payment details carefully, including your card number, expiry date, and CVV if you're paying by card. Then review your order summary one final time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Pay Now or Confirm Payment to complete your subscription. Now, if you're not ready to commit to a paid plan just yet, no problem at all. CRMJIO also offers a free trial, so you can explore all the features before making a decision. On the Unlock Premium Features page, simply look for the Start Trial button and click on it. You won't need to enter any payment information to get started with the trial. The free trial gives you access to the core features of CRMJIO, so you can experience the platform firsthand and decide which plan suits your business best. And that's how you can activate your subscription or start your free trial on CRMJIO. In our next video, we will be covering how to set up your business on CRMJIO, so make sure you don't miss that. Thank you for watching.